Today we're going to do a mindfulness activity where we fly like a bird. Imagine that you are your favorite bird. You can choose to be any type of bird that flies. We'll start in a comfortable standing position, growing yourself tall and relaxing your arms. I'll demonstrate as we begin to fly like a bird, and then we'll repeat all together. Begin by bringing your hands together in front of your chest. On your inhale, bring your arms out in front of you. Inhale. Exhale. Now we'll begin to fly like a bird. On your inhale, bringing your hands out to your sides, long and straight like a bird's wings. And then on your exhale, flapping your wings, bringing them back to center. Slowly, mindfully continue to flap your wings. Inhale. Exhale. Repeat on your own 5 more times. As you're done, bring your hands back to your chest and then back down towards your side, noticing how your body feels. How did it feel to flap your wings like a bird? What did you notice in your body and your mind? What did you learn from this activity? How can you apply it to your daily life? Remember, you can use a mindfulness activity anytime and any place.